In this video, I will show you exactly how to protect your website from a sudden surge of malicious traffic by enabling the Under Attack mode on Cloudflare. This is a crucial feature designed to mitigate distributed denial of service attacks by forcing visitors to complete a brief challenge before they can access your content. To get started, you will first need to log into your Cloudflare account and navigate to the main dashboard for the specific website you want to protect. Once you have selected your domain, you will be taken to the main overview page, which serves as your central landing layout. From here, I want you to shift your focus away from the center graphs and look over at the right-hand sidebar menu panel. This side section contains several useful tools and status indicators for your site. Scroll down slightly within that sidebar until you locate the specific card labeled Quick Actions. This section is designed for toggling essential security features on and off with just a single click. Within the Quick Actions card, you will clearly see the option listed as Under Attack Mode with a toggle switch right next to it. To activate the protection, simply click that switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Cloudflare will immediately begin presenting a security challenge page to every visitor, ensuring that only real human users can reach your server. It is a powerful way to stabilize your site during an active attack and keep your services online. When the threat has passed and everything is back to normal, you can return here to toggle it off just as easily.